Well, come to learn English. Good morning. This listening practice is about daily life and routines. Listen carefully to the story. Try to understand the main idea and important details. Do not worry if you do not understand every word, just listen. My name is Sarah, and I would like to talk my daily routine every day. I wake up early in the morning at 6 o'clock. The first thing I do is turn off my alarm and make my bed. Then I wash my face, brush my teeth, and get ready for day. After getting ready, I go to the kitchen to have breakfast. I usually eat bread, eggs, and fruit. I also drink a cup of tea or coffee while eating breakfast. Sometimes listen the news or soft music. This is help me feel calm and prepared for day. At 7:30, I leave my house for school. I walk to the bus stop and wait for the bus. On the bus, I see many people going to work or school. Some people are talking, while others are using their phones or reading books. I usually listen to English audio lessons during this time. It is a good way to practice my listening skills. I reach school at 8 o'clock. My first class in English, the teacher speaks in English, and I listen carefully. I try to understand new words and ideas when I do not understand something. I ask questions. Asking questions helps me learn better. During the break time, I talk to my friends. We discuss our classes, homework, and future plans. I try to speak in English as much as possible. Sometimes I make mistakes, but I do not feel shy. I know that mistakes are part of learning. After school, I return home in the afternoon. I eat lunch and take a short rest. Then, I do my homework. In the evening, I practice English again. I watch English videos, listen to short stories, or repeat sentences aloud. This helps improve my pronunciation and confidence. At night, I spend time with my family. We talk about our day and share our experiences. Before going to bed, I read a short English paragraph or listen to a simple audio. Finally, I go to sleep at 10 o'clock, ready for a new day. Listening again and repeat important sentences. Practice every day for 10 minutes.